New tonight, University of California students made their way to the state capitol today. It comes as the Supreme Court started hearing arguments challenging President Biden's $400 billion student loan forgiveness plan. From here in the capital city to the nation's capital, people lined up, many in the cold rain, representing the millions of Americans whose financial futures may depend on this case.
We kind of are having rallies all over the country to ensure that our voices are heard.
But the Supreme Court's majority conservatives clearly signaled they think President Biden has gone too far with his $400 billion student loan forgiveness plan, and that Congress must approve such big sums.
I think most casual observers would say if you're going to give up that much amount of money, if you're going to affect the obligations of that many Americans on a subject that's of great controversy, they would think that's something for Congress to act on.
The Biden plan cancels $10,000 in federal student loan debt for those making less than $125,000 and another $10,000 for some lower income Americans. The White House says 26 million people have applied so far.
Student debt and loans in general in this country hold a crippling weight over so many Americans today.
You go to school to get a well-paying job, but you're also digging yourself a hole of enormous debt, and it's hard to crawl out of.
Doing things such as buying a house, I'm worried that I'm not going to be able to do that in the time frame that I want.
But is the Biden plan fair to other Americans?
People who've paid their loans, people who don't have planned their lives around not seeking loans, and people who are not eligible for loans in the first place, and that $500 billion is being diverted to one group of favored persons over others.
To Justice Sonia Sotomayor, the future without this plan looks bleak.
There's 50 million students who are will benefit from this, who today will struggle. They don't have friends or families or others who can help them make these payments.
Now, it does appear that the conservative supermajority on this court is planning to strike down the Biden plan, and White House officials say there is no plan B. We expect an official decision this summer.